Tired of tasks disappearing into the abyss? Let's get those to-dos assigned and done in Basecamp. First, navigate to the project where you want to assign the task. I'm using our marketing campaign project as an example. Next, click on To-Dos. This opens a list where you can create new tasks or edit existing ones. Let's create a new task. Click the Add a To-Do button and type in the task description. I'll write Prepare social media graphics. Now, the crucial part, assigning the task. Click on Who's Responsible. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of people in your project. Select the person or people you want to assign the task to. I'm assigning this to Sarah. Set a due date by clicking on the calendar icon next to due date. Choose the date that the task needs to be completed by. Let's set this for next Friday. Basecamp offers a couple of useful notification options. Check the box next to notify signee to send Sarah an instant notification. If you want automatic reminders, select when you want them to be sent. That's it. Now, just click Add To Do. The assigned task will now appear in the list, clearly showing who's responsible, and when it's due, Sarah will receive a notification and the task will also appear on her My Stuff page. It's that simple. Master task delegation and watch your Basecamp projects run smoothly. Thanks for watching.